Generative AI image tools aren't just emerging, they're here, widely used, and evolving fast. Adobe Firefly is at the center of this shift, offering features that support real creative work. One of the most essential, text-to-image. Text-to-image has been a part of Firefly since its debut in 2023. It's now a go-to tool for creators across industries, used for everything from early concepting to production-ready visuals. Text-to-image is exactly what it sounds like. You prompt the model with a text description of what you want to see, and Firefly generates high-quality image variations based on that input. Here's how it works. A prompt like "a unicorn standing by a lake in an enchanted forest" produces multiple interpretations of that scene. Each one gives you something to build from, whether you refine it, remix it, or head in a new direction. But while the interface is intuitive, the creative process is anything but passive. Firefly is capable of producing remarkable results, but only when guided with clear intent. The best outcomes come from iteration, prompt tuning, and creative decision-making. In other words, the same skills that drive any successful design process. Prompting is not a shortcut, it's a craft, and Firefly makes it easier to build that craft and skill. Your prompt history and image outputs are both saved, so you can track how each prompt tweak changes the result. And because generation is nearly instant, you can explore multiple directions without breaking your flow. Want to push your ideas further? Try using one of the partner models within Firefly. Or add unexpected words or reference images to your prompt. This kind of experimentation often leads to creative breakthroughs, the kind you didn't see coming. Firefly also gives you precise control over how your images take shape. Use the aspect ratio setting to define the frame. Choose a content type, photo for realism, or art for a more illustrative look. Adjust the visual intensity slider to control the level of stylized detail. To guide the model even further, you can upload image references. A composition reference helps define layout and structure. Use the strength slider to control how closely Firefly follows it. A style reference influences the visual tone, color palette, mood, or artistic style, with the same adjustable strength. You can even use your text-to-image creation to serve as a composition or style reference to guide future creations. The Effects panel adds even more creative flexibility and enables you with art techniques you may not have had knowledge of. You can choose from artistic styles like Art Deco or Impressionism, materials like yarn or papier-mâché, or just lighting, color, and camera angle. These options help you push your vision further, whether you're exploring a concept or refining a final asset. And when you're ready for production, Firefly fits directly into the Creative Cloud workflow. Open your image in Photoshop to refine with layers and masks. Use it in Illustrator for layout or vector tracing, or drop it into Express for branded content or social campaigns. All right, so now that you know how text-to-image works, start implementing it in your process. For creative professionals and design leaders, the value is clear. Text-to-image accelerates ideation, supports creative exploration, and helps teams align faster. Whether you're working solo or collaborating across disciplines, Firefly gives you a flexible, commercially safe way to move from prompt to production without compromising your creative standards.